In this video, I'll show you how to download and install apps on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. This app comes pre-installed on all Android phones and gives you access to millions of apps. Once you're in the Play Store, you can browse apps by category like games, social media, shopping, and more, or use the search bar at the top to find a specific app. If you already know the app you want, type its name into the search bar and tap on it from the results. On the app page, tap the Install button. You may be asked to confirm your identity using your Google account password, fingerprint, or face unlock. Now, wait for the app to download and install. This may take a few seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. You can also find the app later in your app drawer by swiping up on your home screen. If you want to add it to your home screen, tap and hold the app icon, then drag it to your desired location. And that's it. That's how you can download and install apps on your Android phone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Android tips.